In this week's video of me converting the Iveco Daily into a RV, campervan or motorhome, we'll talk about how to keep warm, how to distribute power, how to cook food, and how to fix a broken starter key. So let's go! If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. I do upload a video every week, usually on Tuesdays, and it's about travel and photography. Thank you for your subscriptions. This channel has actually increased with about 30 new subscribers in the last 2 to 3 weeks, mainly because an old video has been really popular. It's been recommended by the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. But still, this channel is about travel and photography, and that's what I will focus on. Pardon the pun. It's currently a big mess in the back of my Iveco right now. As you can see, this is the 3100 watt Champion power equipment power generator, and it's an inverter type. We do in Sweden use this type of connections to connect to shore power. So this is 230 volts, 16 amps, one phase. And I also have a couple of converters to these normal Schuko ones to the blue ones, both male and female. We have the power inlet over here, and then these two sets of outlets together with the breaker and 2 fuses. And just a quick note, you are not allowed to build this yourself if you are not skilled enough and you don't have the certificate. So I asked my extra dad to help me out, and he was kind enough to help me put this together and also verify the installation. When it comes to this power generator, of course you're not allowed to run it in here. It's just in here for storage. This is a really nice power generator. It's got 2 power outlets and also a 12 volt power outlet, and it's possible to start with this or also by electrical starter, and it's also possible to start with a remote control. This little display will show you the voltage, the hertz and the hours that it's been used. First 5 hours is a break-in period where you should vary the load between 0 and a couple of thousand watts, and that's what I've been doing. After the first 5 hours, it's time to change the oil. Time is flying. As you know, I'm doing this trip to the North Cape, and I've used this countdown to tell me that it's now 37 days left until I will do my 2 weeks trip to the northern part of Norway and back again. But actually I have perhaps lowered my, well, not expectations, but I've lowered my ambition. So perhaps this is good enough. I'm only using a normal cabin heater for cars, so that's the easy way to heat up my van. I have, as you can see, finally gotten a haircut, and I bought this new set of reading glasses. What do you say? Good or bad? Good or bad? This is what the living area looks like right now. A microwave oven driven by 230 volts, and I'm going to connect it to this power outlets. They are just connected through this wall to the other part of the van, either for shore power or the power generator. This lovely Bluetooth speaker, of course, and then this is my bed, and it's good enough. Bought this Ctek battery charger, a really nice Swedish version that can do up to 200 amp hours, and it's perfect for my 2 set of batteries. In this picture you can see that this on-off switch, this super small surface mount on-off switch has broken off. Afraid to actually solder this back on again, both because you cannot have the battery disconnected for that long. then it will lose its code, so it might not be possible to start the car again. I am skilled in doing soldering, so I wasn't afraid about that. But the tricky part in holding this with the battery connected all the time wasn't that easy. But I think I made it. The key actually works. It's a little bit tricky because this rubber part is pretty old, and this week's video is actually coming directly from the Iveco Daily. It's a little bit tricky to record actually. I decided to head for a supermarket and a big shopping center here in my hometown of Uppsala. So I'm recording this on my Android phone. To see more videos about travel and photography, you should comment, like and subscribe. And I'll see you soon again. Bye bye.